This looks pretty great, but all it does is simply shows the h1 tag, okay, which says hello world. So let's try adding some more functionality. Let's say I want to display today's date in the home page. Okay, so let's see how we can do that one. So in order to do that, what you're going to do is you're going to get back to our code, and from here you can go to home, and inside home we can open the views.py, and this is where we are going to use a simple method to display the date. So right below this, I'm going to create a line. I'm going to call this as from date time. I'm going to say import date time. Okay, and here, as you can see, that we have this flower braces. I'm going to say today. Okay, so this is the variable which you're going to use to store the date time. So I'm going to say colon, say date time dot today, and that's a function. I'll save that. Great. Now that views.py is modified, we are using the template folder or the template file to show the home page, right? So we're going to get back to our welcome.html, which is inside the templates folder. And here, what we can do is we can create a new paragraph tag. And here I'm going to say today is, and here we can use these two flower braces to specify the name, that is today. Let's save that. Now you can go back to the browser and hit refresh. And you can see that in paragraph tag, we have today's date showing up.